Hi, my name is Zakir Manoli. I am an ex-serviceman of Indian Navy. After release in 2002, I have been to Jamaica for my own business there. And I came down from Jamaica and pandemic, I was not able to go back. So I went down to a different business like exporting coconuts, supplying my coconuts to some exporters and stuff. So I've been to some different southern state of India where there is coconuts available. I went down there and I was doing coconut. In the meanwhile, I understood certain things that the coconut, dry coconuts and the oil extracted from the coconut is being used with a lot of chemical preservatives, which hurted me. So first thing you have to understand is to extract the pure coconut oil, we need coconuts to be dried, which according to the climate of Kerala where I live, it is very cold at times, hot and cold. So it will not be very easy to dry in the hot sun. So that is the reason it has been the dry coconuts are coming from different states where the climate is very hot. But unfortunately what is happening is those people where they dry the coconuts, they use some preservatives like some chemicals to get rid of fungus getting into these coconuts, because it gets dried in the hot sun. In the evening, the moisture releases and it becomes fungus in the second day, and you get green marks on the dried coconuts. To get rid of that, they use some preservatives like chemicals they use, chemical smokes they give, and it get rid of the fungus, which is very harmful for health. And in some places, they use smoke. They burn some coconut shells or some woods, some plastics and stuff. They give smokes to dry that coconut, which is again carbon contaminated. So I just wanted to save my family and my friends around. So that way I found out a method to extract oil in an organic way. By that, my brand, the coconut brand, Imyown, started from that. I have taken certain serious precautions and utter care to produce and extract more coconut oil to distribute for the coconut oil to reach all the parts of India. So there are the certain precautions which I have taken care of. I wanted to explain that. First step is we started collecting coconuts from Kerala, where it is grown very organically. So the first step which I took is I started collecting coconuts from Kerala itself, bringing it down to my place. The second step is breaking the coconuts and arranging it in the solar tunnel dryer for 1 day, completely left for drying it. And the third step is, after the complete dry of this coconut, the next day the coconuts get released from the shell, and the second day we are digging out the dried coconuts, and it has been kept for another 2 days for a complete drying up. Let me explain about the solar tunnel dryer. This solar tunnel dryer is first in Kerala, which is used for drying coconut purpose. So what is the specialty in this? The shape of the tunnel itself is how we get the temperature inside that. Due to the sun's heat and the shape of the thing, the heat is collected, gathered, and it is been absorbed. The heat is absorbed by the floor, which is of the floor. The floor of the solar tunnel is made out of Kadapa stone, a place called Kadapa where the stone is available, which retains the heat for a longer duration of time. So till the evening, the heat is maintained, 65 to 75 degree is maintained. As the evening comes, the night falls, the temperature goes down to 60 to 65 to 50 in the night time. And this 50 to 55 is retained till in the midnight. And after midnight, if the climate of this place is coming cooler, or if it is rainy season, we have already arranged 6 in number of heaters fitted in this solar tunnel. Whichever time we feel the temperature is going down, we switch on the heaters, which will maintain the heat to that level of 65 to 70 degree, which keep the coconut away from getting fungus. So this way we maintain the heat by the solar as well as the electrical heater. We maintain it from getting fungus. So that way this coconut remain pure for till this 3rd day. And the 4th step is the second day after the complete drying of this dried coconuts. It has been brought into our plant for extracting the oil. The 5th step is the coconuts extracted, it goes to the filter and it is completely filtered and it is stored. From there, it is collected in the bottles, our Imyown bottle, completely sealed, and it is ready for dispatch. So you might have seen in this all process, you have seen there is no any chemical use, preservatives used or smoke used. It is completely dried in a very natural way. So any of you wish to see the plant and the organic way of bringing the purest coconut oil in the world, please do come anytime. Our door is open for you. You are welcome. You can see all the process which I told you now. And if you not understood anything what I have told, you can even call me in my number or you can contact me. And the best thing is, come down to our place. You will be able to see a new method of bringing the purest coconut oil in the world. And this has to spread around the world. And I wanted it to be spread in many places. I wanted this coconut solar tunnel to be installed, and so that it can reach to each and every place of the world, the purest coconut oil, like our coconut oil, Imyown.